In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Google Docs. This is a simple yet powerful way to make your documents more dynamic and interactive, offering your readers easy access to external websites, documents, or email addresses directly from your text. Let's dive right in. First, you need to start by highlighting the text that you want to transform into a clickable link. Make sure you select precisely the text that you wish to be highlighted as a link, as this is what your readers will click on to be directed to your specified web address or document. The highlighting step is crucial because it ensures only the important and relevant parts of your text turn into hyperlinks, keeping your document neat and user-friendly. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, it's time to open the Link tool. Head over to the Insert menu at the top of your Google Docs window and select the option labeled Link. If menus are not your thing, Google Docs offers a couple of quicker alternatives. You can also right-click on the highlighted text to bring up a short menu, from which you should also select Link. Or if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for a faster experience, this action can be done with a simple keystroke combo. Press Ctrl plus K if you're using a Windows system, or CMD plus K if you're working on a Mac. This shortcut is especially handy for those who often incorporate many links into their documents and can significantly speed up the process. After opening the Link tool, you'll see a field labeled Link. Here is where you will paste the URL or type the email address you want to link to. Take a moment to ensure that the web address is correct. Nothing is more frustrating than a hyperlink that leads to a dead page or the wrong site. If you have the URL saved on your clipboard, you can simply paste it here. Alternatively, Google Docs also makes it easy to search for a website directly. You just type the site's name or a relevant Google search term, and you'll see a list of suggestions to select from. Finally, the process couldn't be easier once all your details are entered correctly. All you need to do is simply click the Apply button. This is what seals the deal in making your highlighted text transform into a functional link. You'll notice immediately that the selected text has changed color, typically to blue, and is underlined, indicating it's now a hyperlink. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to create hyperlinks in Google Docs. Visibility and seamless navigation are crucial components in document sharing, and this skill will surely enhance how recipients interact with your documents. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.